Welcome to my channel. This is your girl AKB. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this easy and affordable bridal bouquet. So if this is what you're interested in learning, please consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. To make this bridal bouquet, these are some of the materials you'll be needing: a tissue flower, some baby breaths, satin bias or satin ribbon, glitter foam, and pipe holes of about 10 inches, floral catalog, assorted trimmings, half styrofoam ball with some round cut here, silver trimmings, glue gun and scissors, satin fabric, a pen, and some stones for embellishments. So these are the things that we'll be needing for this bridal bouquet. To start off, I'm going to trace my pipe hole at the center of my card and then cut it out. Once I'm done cutting the excess card out, I'm going to insert my pipe hole through it to make sure that it goes through without any problem. Now with your pipe holes, make a punch in the middle of a half styrofoam ball. This process will be necessary as we progress. Now, I'm going to cover the bottom with the satin fabric. Please watch how I do it. Right now, I'm adding some glue at the edges of the card. After that, I'm going to place it at the wrong side of my satin fabric. Please note, the wrong side of my satin fabric. Next, I'm going to cut through the middle, making extra notches so that I can pass my pipe hole through it, making sure I'm not cutting the excess fabric out. After that, I'm going to make notches all around the card on the satin fabric. This helps the fabric to be more relaxed when folding over. Now I'm adding some glue onto the card, then folding over my satin fabric. Once my base is ready, I'm going to embellish it with some bling over here. This step is totally optional, but if you are someone like me who loves bling, then please watch what I'm doing, because it's a bit hard to explain here. So this is a rhinestone trim, and I cut it 5 rhinestones in a row, and I divided it between the front and the back. So now what I'm doing here is that I'm adding some glue at the wrong side, then fold over my trim, turn to the right, add glue and fold over. So I'm going to continue the same process till I cover the entire edges with the rhinestone trim. So now our base is ready. I'm going to insert my pipe hole through it, then take my half styrofoam ball and also insert it into it. At this point, to make my bouquet firm and steady, I'm going to put some hot glue inside the middle of my half styrofoam ball, then insert my pipe hole through it. I'll wait for some time for the glue to harden inside. after the glue is hardened inside, I'm going to merge these two together with the help of my glue gun. Please, you realize that my base is slightly bigger than my styrofoam ball. This is because I want a bigger bouquet. So if you want a bigger bouquet, you will need to have your base 1 inch or 3/4 inch bigger than your styrofoam ball. Now it's time for the handle. So now I'm going to be covering up the bottom with my satin bias. Now I have my glitter foam here, which is 2.5 inches by 9 inches, and I'm going to cover the pipe holes with it using my glue gun. I think this step is self-explanatory if you watch it carefully. Now I'm going to go more on the blink, so I'm going to cover the handle with this trim here. So just as we did for the glitter foam, we are going to repeat the same process for this blink trim here. Now this part is totally optional. I just went ahead to mark some lines, and I'm going to add some trim there just to add some glitz and glamour to it. So now here we are. Now it's time for our flowers. So what I'm going to do is to cut part of the stem off, leaving about 2 inches or 1.5 inches for poking into our styrofoam ball. I'm going to repeat the same process for the flowers as well. These are our baby breads. Now it's time for the real deal. I'm going to be poking my baby breads all around my styrofoam ball. This is done, so I'm going to add my flowers to it. I'm going to cover the entire space with the flowers. If you love watching this, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get you notified anytime I upload videos. These kind actions motivate me to do more of this for you. Now to embellish this bouquet, I'm going to add these stones onto the flowers. I'm going to glue them onto it. Please be careful when you are using a glue gun for this, because it can burn you in the process. For the last step, I'm going to wrap some portion of my handle, about 4 inches in length, then wrap my satin bias around it. If you've made it far to this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. When I'm done wrapping up, I'm going to finish it off with this trim flower here. You can use a bar, fabric flower, big beautiful buttons, or any beautiful ornament you have. Thank you if you've watched this far. Now this is the final look of our bridal bouquet. If this was helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video, and don't forget to share with friends and family. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.